तो यार क्वेश्चन था जो व्हाट द क्वेश्चन वाज अबाउट आस्किंग अबाउट बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ रिमोट सेंसिंग, right? That was the first part, and the second part was to write a note on electromagnetic spectrum. This is like the most basic question that can be asked in the examination. तो इसमें अगर हम दीपक देखिए, अगर हम जनरल उसकी बात करें, जनरल स्ट्रक्चर की बात करें, तो जनरल स्ट्रक्चर कैसा हो सकता था? जनरल स्ट्रक्चर could have been like that we write a very simplistic definition of remote sensing, right? That could have been the introduction part. Second, we could have directly come upon basic principles. Okay, and here we could have given an example. An example could be any example, like you could have mentioned name of a satellite, or you could have mentioned simply thermal remote sensing. Anything could have been an example. An example would have been good if you would have written it right here in the introduction. Secondly, on coming to this basic principle हमने पढ़ा था. Fundamental principle was that different objects either reflect or emit, right? Reflect or emit radiation in different wavelength, and remote sensing specifically utilizes this, that the energy that they have reflected or emitted, the sensors detect that and thus form an image. That was the basic principle of remote sensing, right? So अगर हम यहाँ पर बात करें तो दीपक ने डेफिनेट जो इंट्रोडक्शन था वो बहुत बढ़िया लिखा. उन्होंने एग्जांपल भी लिखा, that was also very good. बेसिक प्रिंसिपल में दीपक यू मेंशन्ड रिफ्लेक्शन, सो आई थिंक दिस शुड बी रिफ्लेक्शन एंड एमिशन. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर शायद टर्म सुनने में आपसे गलती हो गई है, या फिर यू हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज दिस मिस्टेक, right? So this is one thing that you could have done. Then when I'll come to a diagram, of course basic principle में the other point would have been a diagram. ठीक है, a schematic diagram. So a schematic diagram, the diagram that you have made is perfect in the sense that ऐसा ही diagram बनाना है. It should have this much clarity, okay, and it should have ऐसे ही इसमें labeling होनी चाहिए. But the problem is the diagram schematic is not correct. Look, what happens in remote sensing is that there is a source. See, I have made this schematic diagram here. There is a source. The source provides some radiation. The object reflects that radiation. That is one way. Another way is the source provides energy, the object absorbs it, and then the object emits it. That is another way. These are the two ways in which remote sensing happens. आपने यहाँ पर कुछ डिफरेंट बनाने का कोशिश किया. You said that the object is reflecting those radiations, and यहाँ पर probably आपने active sensor दिखाया, but then I did not understand this part. Why was this needed? That it is being transmitted to the ground. So this was probably not needed here. Okay, the relaying of information from the sensor to the ground. This is probably not needed here. Better would have been if you would have mentioned a source and everything. And then we could have mentioned those two things, that there is an active sensor and then there is a passive sensor. A small mention of the two could have made your answer better. Okay, so two things: reflection based remote sensing and emission based remote sensing. These should have been mentioned here with the basic principle. That should have been done. Then आपने यहाँ पर इसके बाद लिखा factors affecting remote sensing. But this was not asked in the question. Now you have to realize what happens is आपने इसको लिख के कुछ गलत नहीं किया, ठीक है? Probably you might get a half mark for this. But because of this, there was a trade-off. The trade-off was कि electromagnetic spectrum में you were left only with this much space. Now electromagnetic spectrum में अभी मैं चंद्र प्रकाश का आंसर जब डिस्कस करूंगा, he did a very good thing. What he did was कि उसने besides mentioning this particular diagram, he described each of these in one lines. Okay, each of these in one line. And specifically with respect to remote sensing, we need to describe these four parts and somewhat UV. Okay, so एक line का यहाँ पर description would have made your answer a complete answer. But because you mentioned this, तो space खत्म हो गई. Right? So understand that this became a little incomplete in comparison to someone's answer who would have written that part as well. I hope this is clear. Understood, Deepak?
Yes, sir.
Baki, I would really commend you that you have made very beautiful diagrams. Even these are very clear, so keep it up. And इतने ही clear diagrams बनाइएगा. Maybe you might not get time to make each diagram with pencil, so it might so happen. तो वो आप थोड़ा सा अपने हिसाब से मैनेज कर लीजिएगा. But rest all was fine. I have mentioned some comments. I have sent यही चीजें जो मैंने ऊपर बताई वो मैंने comments में mention करी हैं. Please have a look at it.
Yes,
So
sir.
this was Deepak's attempt, and now coming to Chandra Prakash's attempt.